So it's a beautiful day here on Sunday afternoon in North Alabama. It's 60-something degrees. I am found a little time to get out and work some bees. Let me flip this camera around. All right, fine. This in orange is a split that I did a couple weeks back, and they have been doing very well. So I'm just going to transfer this spy frame nuke basically over to the permanent hive, which is right next to it. The orange and the nuke had been sitting right there on the double concrete block, and I slid them over. That's why they're a little confused because they're so used to going in at the exact same spot. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I transfer this over. There's probably nothing going to be magical about it. No, I've actually learned some fancy basic information from it, but I just thought I would do it. Some people just like watching bees, and I'll show you the frames up close. And hopefully she's been busy with laying a lot of brood. So let me get the camera set up, and we'll go from there. Okay, I'm explaining this new deal. I'm just I had the 5 frame nuke. This was the split that I done. I took the original queen from the hive and 4 or 5 frames of bees and some brood and some they already had a little honey and nectar and some bee bread. I think they've done fairly well in it, but I'm thinking that this 5 frame nuke is packed out. That's why I'm going to move the permanent hive. My number one goal is to get this moved over without the injuring queen. So the whole time that I'm going to be pulling frames, I'm going to be looking for her. And if I find her, then I'll put her in a queen catcher and set her aside so I can work without, making sure that I don't injure her. Also, I make sure that whatever order those 5 frames are in this nuke, I make sure they're in the same order in the permanent hive. So all right, let's get this camera. We'll see what we can do. For starters, I'm going to let you see what it looks like inside there. I'm hoping I take this lid off. They're just busting at the seams, so let's just see. I'm about to say busting at the seams, but I'd say it looks really good. So it's ready to be moved. So. All right, here we go. And I'm sure that I will cut this video down because it's going to be way too long. I'm sure you don't want to do this. Let's see if I can do this. I can get some too. I'm going to go for this ring. I'm doing this right in the middle of the day. That kind of has a little bit with the orgers. They're still out. I'm not having to worry about them so bad. I'm pretty sure this nuke has. Okay, so this is a totally empty frame. So we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this over. All right, we got stuff on next. So maybe I'm going to put them down here. That is absolutely nothing right. I don't know about. I kind of have one on there. Let's go to the next one. All right, this is there. Bees right now. I'm not seeing any brood on this, which concerns me. If the queen, what is she doing? What are we paying her for? Let me see if I can find her on here. So there's nothing. They are putting honey in this one. Maybe they just reserve these for honey. Maybe when I get to the next frame, there'll be some brood. I don't see her here. Let's just go ahead and put that in. I'm going to bump up against the next one, so I don't have to worry about doing that. Switching some. Let's check this next one. This next one looks a little bit better. This video might never make it to the sunlight. Who knows? All right. This one is a bit heavier. There's the problem. Okay, so here's brood, but I have a queen cell in here. So I've got brood and I've got queen cell, so why in the world? Yeah, there's queen cell right there. I got 2 of them at least. So let's figure this out. I'll look at this and I'll bring it over to you. I don't know why in the world they just, unless it's just a swarming batch, I don't know why in the world they would be ready to swarm. They're not even packed out unless the queen has disappeared. But there is capped brood in here. I don't know if maybe they just didn't like the environment. Yeah, there's plenty of capped brood, but there sure enough is 1, 2 queen cells capped on this side. Holy crap. What to do now? Just need to bring over and show you. I'm just trying to make sure there's, no, just on that side. I'm not seeing the queen here. Now, where she went, I don't know, because she was, when I slid, she was in, and there's obviously brood in here. I don't know, let me bring this over to you. See, let me see. I hope you can see that queen cell right there. There's one, and then the other one is right over here. So I've got 2 queen cells on this one. But now see, I do have some brood. There's capped brood, so let's figure out what to do. I'm going to go ahead and set this down in here. I don't see the queen on here. I think I got one there. They want to swarm. They only have a full 5 frame nuke. And if I do have brood, I don't know why in the world. That means there's a queen. I think I see another queen cell down here. I wonder if she laid you and then decided to leave. I just don't know. When you're dealing with nature, it's hard to know. Hard to know what to do. So let's see what this looks like. Queen cells. Makes me wonder. That's when you get brood. Makes me wonder if my little 5 frame nuke, I waited too long and they swarmed off. If you are a professional beekeeper, which I'm not, and you are watching this, I would appreciate your input. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 queen cells on this side, 5, 6, one over here. But there's still plenty of brood. So where's the queen? I'm going to start singing the queen song. Alright, let me show you this. Queen cells right there. Go over here. I mean, this is beautiful queen cells. I just wasn't checking them. But look at all that brood. All the brood in queen cells. This is just a 5 frame nuke. I don't know why they didn't even have room. I don't know why they just made it swarming back to girls. They changed my plans. I thought I got a video getting longer than I wanted it to be, so I'm trying to edit. Let's see what to do. If they're capped, they're coming out in the next few days. Or today, who knows? I have no idea how many yet. Look at that queen. She's obviously in here with all that brood. Now, where are you at? I promise y'all, I've got some of this video back so you don't have to stand there and watch me stare at stuff. A lot of drones. There's another queen cell. I've got queen cells on 3 of 5 frames. Something's happened to the queen shortly after she laid a bunch. Where are you? Hey, there just can't be this much brood in here with that queen somewhere. But they obviously knew they was going to do something to make all queen cells. Nice, beautiful queen cells though. You bring it over to you, show you. Look at that. Didn't know beauty. I hope I get this in time. Didn't know beauty. Didn't really want it though. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to cut the video off. I'm going to do another fly through each frame, see if I can find the queen. Because I know y'all don't want me to do that, so hold on, I'll be back. So after 3 unsuccessful attempts, I went through each frame meticulously. There's no queen in this side anymore, but I did find, gosh, like 6, 7, maybe 8 capped queen cells, so it could be any day now for those. The only thing I have to figure out is that when I did the original split, I took the original queen and I took a buttload of bees. I mean, I packed them in there. You'll remember when I first opened it up, I said impressive, not very impressive. It did not have as many bees as it did. I think about in there. So I'm guessing. Maybe it's just educated, common sense guess. I don't know. I'm afraid this nuke has already swarmed. The original queen probably swarmed off with some of them, and that's why I've still got broods and cat brood in here, and plenty of queen cells that are ready to be hatched. I think start hatching any minute or tomorrow. I don't know. So the only thing that makes sense to me is this 5 frame nuke. I waited too long. It's busy with line. I waited too long. And it got packed out. And I'm gonna say that the original queen swarmed out, and this is what I'm left with. So what I'm gonna do is I picked out 2 really good, big, prominent queen cells I'm gonna keep, and the other 5 or 6, unfortunately, I'm gonna cut those out. I know I probably should do some other split and turn this into 2 different highs, and I could do that. The problem is I'm running out of resources, woodenware. I still got 3 other traps that are out that swarms in that I got to somehow get into some boxes. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to make that tough call, cut out some of these queen cells and leave 2 of them. And I learned that the hard way. You gotta leave 2. You don't leave all those queen cells in there because it doesn't always work like the some component storage and cut off. That's what I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna go in and pick out 2 of the strongest, biggest queen cells that I can see, keep those, and I'm gonna cut out the rest of them. And I'll explain why a little later. I've got another video where I messed up and let every one of the queen cells in there and turned out to be a mess because I had a bunch of virgin swarms come off the hive. Let me do this a little bit, and then I'll get back with you and show you 2 that I get. Okay, let me take that right here, tough call. I actually went in and cut out 7 or 8 queen cells, and I narrowed it down to 2 the best ones, the best looking ones I can see. So I'm gonna show you those 2 that I left real quick. So there's that one. Hopefully the camera's got it in focus. Leaving that one. Make sure it's right. And we'll leave that one. And I'll let the next one, which is really a strong looking queen cell I'm impressed with. Best one I've seen in a while. Leaving that one. I can see. I hope it's showing up. Maybe I'll say that. Anyway, we'll leave those 2 right there, and hopefully one of them will become the next queen of this room. Now what I'm going to do, I actually just cut the video off, but I want to finish up now, so I'm going to go ahead and get all 4 of the frames with all these and 2 queen cells pushed in together in the middle of this hive, and then I'm going to populate the rest of it with I've got a few other frames with little old combs and stuff like that, and get closed up, and I make one little last little snippet when everything's done, but I'm going to turn the video off now, so maybe you want to watch into this. Alright, we're going to move in. I put the majority of the 4 full frames of bees right in the center, fill the outer sides with some blank comb, the nectar flow started here, I'm not too concerned about feeding them, but it'll be safe tomorrow, next I'll probably get water on, but like I said, I put all the batch of bees in the center, and I left those 2 queen cells right down there, so hopefully this is going to turn out good. I didn't really plan on doing this today, I didn't plan on coming out and moving that nuke over, but that's the main thing about beekeeping is it's always the same and it's always different, and you have to learn to adapt and to basically work with whatever nature gives you. So I'm going to go ahead and put the air cover on this, put the outer cover on. I've got good things to do. I'm done with this video today. If you have any questions or suggestions or something I should have done differently or better, I'm not professional. I appreciate constructive criticism. But I hope it helps you. Maybe somebody watching needs to see this. But anyway, like I said, we'll put it back together and on to another hive. Thanks for watching, and good luck beekeeping.